various biochemical reactions are ongoing and they produce variety of substances. Accumulation of this substance inside the body produces toxic substances and they produces health problem. They need to be removed from body as soon as they are formed. These products are called excretory substance and the process is known as excretion. The excretory organ together form the excretory system. The important terms in excretion. What is excretion? The process of removing harmful or unwanted metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Let me explain you what is metabolic waste. In various processes like digestion, respiration, etc., the end product which is formed, some of them are used in the body, while other like undigested food, carbon dioxide, urea, ammonia, etc., are useless or harmful. They are called metabolic waste. This toxic or harmful substances has to be removed and these substances are known as excretory substance. The organs which help in removal of excretory substance from your body are known as excretory organs. The need for excretion may prove harmful to the cells. The waste which are produced, they will be harmful to the cells. Second, they will change the internal environment of the cell. They will also disturb ionic balance within the cells. Difference between waste product and excretory product. Waste product are unusable or unwanted substance produced during various metabolic process in the body of living beings. The metabolic waste which are eliminated from the body and cannot be stored inside are called as excretory products. Let us discuss the diagram. The main excretory organ in human body is your kidney. So kidney is bean shaped and they are two in numbers, right kidney, left kidney. They are in the lower abdomen. It is connected with a ureter that joins your bladder where the urine is stored, and this bladder is connected to urethra from where it is eliminated outside. Let us discuss about the kidney. In kidney plays a crucial role. Here only the formation of urine take place. Let us discuss about the structure of a kidney. In a kidney there are millions of nephrons. A nephron structure we will study. The nephrons, there is a cup-like structure that is known as Bowman's capsule, and in the Bowman's capsule a long coiled tubule is present that is known as glomeruli. That is a network of blood capillaries. Glomeruli receive bloods from the renal artery. When renal artery brings the blood that contains waste product, so in glomeruli there is a filter and process goes on and they remove waste from the blood. The renal artery which brings the blood to the kidney, and renal veins are those after the blood has been purified. These renal veins carry the blood away from the kidney. Here the renal artery which has brought the blood which has waste in the kidney, the blood is filtered and excess of water, excess of nitrogenous waste are removed, and the waste product which is produced after the filtration, that is known as urine. So formation of urine is also, the process of formation of urine is known as excretion, or we can say micturition, it is also known as. This is a structure of a single uniferous tubule. They are million in numbers, or we can say a nephron. Let us discuss how the urine formation take place. So as you will be seeing, there is afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole is present. So first we will start with formation of urine starts with ultrafiltration. So here you will be seeing a cup-like structure. That cup-like structure is known as Bowman's capsule, and in Bowman's capsule you are seeing glomerulus. Glomerulus, the blood will enter and it will contain the waste material. So here the filtration process will take place. The nitrogenous waste and water from blood are filtered when blood passes through the capillaries of glomeruli. They are received by Bowman's capsule, and after the filtration has taken place, the blood is passed, the filtrate is passed through the below the glomerulus. The tubules are this tubules from the, as it starts from the glomerulus, from the Bowman's capsule below, it is known as proximal convoluted tubule. This, from the proximal convoluted tubule, it is changing into descending loop of Henle, and when it rises, it is known as ascending loop of Henle. Here the process of secretion, reabsorption take place. Here the process of reabsorption take place. In ultrafiltration, some of the substance which are not waste, they are also passed with the filtrate. So here the good substances, or they are not waste substances, they are once again reabsorbed. So this process is known as reabsorption. After reabsorption process, the secretion take place. So in secretion, the water is there, some salts are there, urea, nitrogenous waste are there in the filtrate, and that is passed into distal convoluted tubule. From the distal convoluted tubule, as I told you, it is one single uniferous tubule. It's like this, million of them are there. So from all the filtrate, means all the waste material are collected by collecting depth, and from there it is passed to the, it is passed through the ureter, passed into the ureter. Then from ureter, urinary bladder, and then urethra, it is secreted out from your body in the form of urine. Skin is also an excretory organ. Sweat glands in the skin remove water, salts, and some urea is also removed from the blood flowing through the blood capillaries in the skin. They open on the surface of skin by tiny pores. These tiny pores are called as sweat. In summer you must have felt that is large amount of sweat is there, because after sweat evaporation that leads to cooling of your body. Dialysis is the process in which, when the person kidney is not responding or it has been damaged, the person cannot survive because there is the accumulation of toxic waste in the body. Therefore, the person is given artificial kidney, and by this process is known as dialysis. By this the process of filtering of the blood take place, and there is removal of the waste material from the body.